there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thanks for joining me again today. I have another Easter treat project for you today featuring the EasterJoy Designer Series paper. It is a specialty paper here. It's the most beautiful paper. It's foiled, it's thicker than normal Designer Series paper. Not quite as thick as cardstock, but it's just beautiful, just beautiful. I highly recommend it, and I've put a link to it in the description bar. This is an easy little project, and I have to do a shout out to Erica from Pink Buckaroo. She made something very simple, or the same as this, and I'm just casing her design, so this was her idea. So the little belly band just comes off, and if I can just squeeze that off, come off, it does come off, I promise you. You can make this with ordinary Designer Series paper or with cardstock, but I'm choosing to make it with this paper because it's just beautiful. And then it has a little Easter egg Kit Kat in there, so it's going to take a flat type of a treat to go in. Yeah, something little, but something cute, right? It's so cute. And again, I'm using the Easter ephemera pack. This is the mix and match Easter time ephemera pack. Easter eggs, springtime ideas, all sorts in there to make gift giving, memory keeping, card making, etc. So let me show you how I made this. It's super easy. So I'm going to use a strip of that beautiful EasterJoy Designer Series paper, and this measures 11 by 2 3/4. And the other side of it is this beautiful gingham. So we're going to use that for the belly band, and that's 6.5 by 1 inches. Now, this is directional if you want to get your carrots and eggs going in the right direction. To be honest, it doesn't matter which way when you come to fold it together, it doesn't actually matter which way you do it. So let me show you. I'm just going to grab my Simply Scored scoring tool right here, and I'm going to score this at oops, move that out of the way. Here we go. 3 1/4, 3 1/4, 8 and 8 1/4. So they're only little scores. Oops, go in there. Like I said, you can use ordinary Designer Series paper if you wish. So I'm just going to fold those. Don't want to press this paper too much because we don't want to ruin that foil that's in there. I'll just give it a little bit. Isn't it the cutest? I love it. Right, so I want my eggs going the right way. So in this one, I had the longer flap coming down because of the way I scored it with the Easter eggs. But it doesn't actually matter. I mean, really, does it matter? So grab a stapler, any old stapler will do, and just put a little staple in here, and one in here. And then your treat simply goes in there. A little Kit Kat will just go in there. Just like that. Cute, right? It's so cute. Belly band just comes around. And I'll fold it at the front. I did that one a little bit too tight. That's why it was a bit hard to get off. But you want it to stay, you know, you don't want it to be too loose or it will just fall off. So a little bit of Stampin' Seal. Just it's very cute. A little seal. Again, don't get it too tight. It'll be okay. And on this one I used a retired Pretty in Pink ribbon, but I'm going to use the this is the gingham ribbon. This is the blue, balmy blue ribbon. So let's use that one. And again, those the die cuts from the ephemera pack again are just so useful. They're a really economical purchase and they go a really long way. So for all your craft, all kinds of crafting that you're doing, for any season actually. Go in there. Okay, and then I used the little pink one. I'm going to use Peach Pie using my 1 7/8 inch circle punch. Piece of peach pie, because there is peach pie in this colourway, keeping it nice and bright. Pop our little egg on there, put that on. This is a great little easy treat to make. Put that in the middle and there you have it. Easy to make, right? And yeah, something cute to make for Easter and doesn't take too much paper, doesn't take too many doesn't take too much of your your important craft items, and yeah, you could probably get a whole lot of those done real quick. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that video. Easy to make. I've put a description in the description bar below. I've put a link to the products I've used and also the dimensions for this cute little tweed pouch. Thanks so much and have a great day.